Komiti mar Senet nolimo kambi mar Kenya Seeds kendo chiwo singo ni piny owacho mamalo kaachiel kod mago ma counties biro chule gope mahewo bilion 1.3 kaka yo mar kelo yot e chwalo kothe ne jopur e pacho ka. Jako mar komiti no David Wakoli koni okang' makamaeri biro bero pur kaachiel kod dero mag cham e pacho ka. Komiti no bende dwaro mondo mi piny owacho ket tenge omenda maromo siling milion 200 mar golo tado mag plastic mong'ere kaka asbestos maketo ngima oganda kamarach.
Prepared there, how much is in store for Kenyans, what are the challenges that they are facing to make Kenya Seeds a robust and solid institution in this country. Equally, to look at the pending bills that Kenya Seeds is looking at national government and county governments to be able to run its activities. And for your information, the county governments owe Kenya Seeds millions of shillings. The national government owes Kenya Seeds over 1.3 billion shillings. And this is out of the government's subsidize the seeds that Kenyans were buying last season.
We are waiting for feedback from the government about 1.3 million kilos to support us pay the seed growers. And I think progress is going on. 1.3 billion Kenya shillings. And the progress is going on. And I think we are going to get feedback very soon so that we are able to meet that. Otherwise, we are moving on very well, as you have been saying.